Hello and welcome to my Photoshop Cinematic Effects course. My name is Chris Parker and I've been a photographer and graphic designer for 25 plus years. And in fact, I started using Photoshop when it first came out back in 1991. Such a long time ago. All right, so in this course, I wanted to give you some different types of effects that you can create in Photoshop, and that includes the ever-trendy cinematic look. Now, this course is taught in Photoshop CC. However, you can use older versions of Photoshop as well. Some of the basic tools that we will be using throughout the different lessons are available in older versions as well. So to get the most out of this course, I recommend going through this basics section first to learn some of the different tools that we're going to be using, as well as some definitions of what we're trying to achieve, like complementary colors, color grading, and the tools that we're going to be using like adjustment layers, the color picker tool, and more. So each one of those will have its own lesson, and you'll learn exactly what those tools are about, how to use them, and how to benefit from them, because one of my favorite tools is the adjustment layer option, because it does allow you to work and edit on your images non-destructively, which will streamline your workflow and allow you to be more productive. The images that are used throughout this course are included in this course as well, and you can download those in the next section. So if you want to follow along as you're listening, you can download those images, as well as a keyboard shortcut cheat sheet that I've put together that includes some of the keyboard shortcuts that I use throughout the course, because keyboard shortcuts will also allow you to be more productive, and I highly recommend using them as you work. So the first thing we're going to talk about in the next lesson is the color wheel and complementary colors, and I'm going to provide you with a pretty cool tool that will show you the color wheel and how to find different complementary colors. It's really cool. I love it. So if you're ready to get started, I'll see you in the next lesson.